welcome you all in BB and MBA Guide by Ummi Sumaya Hamid. Today is the 13th lecture about management. And we are going to cover about how to run business globally. Daimler, Nissan Motor, and Renault are part of a strategic partnership that is sharing small car technology and powertrains, an arrangement that all three automakers say will allow them to better compete in an environment where cutting costs is crucial. Until he moved to Japan, Arturo Vega, a Spanish-language teacher, had no idea that the Sofile brand of yogurt he always bought in his native Mexico was actually made by a Japanese company called Yakult Hansha. Reckitt Benckiser, the UK-based maker of consumer products, Lysol, Woolite, and French's Mustard are just a few of its products, has operations in more than 60 countries, and its top 400 managers represent 53 different nationalities. The Missouri State Employees Retirement System pays retirement benefits to recipients in 20 countries outside the United States. As these examples show, organizations in different industries and from different countries do business globally. But how do they do so? So let we look over some different types of international organizations. Companies doing business globally aren't new. DuPont started doing business in China in 1863. H.J. Heinz Company was manufacturing food products in the United Kingdom in 1905. Ford Motor Company set up its first overseas sales branch in France in 1908. By the 1920s, other companies, including Fiat, Unilever, and Royal Dutch/Shell, had gone international. But it wasn't until the mid-1960s that international companies became quite common. Today, few companies don't do business internationally. However, there's not a generally accepted approach to describe the different types of international companies. Different authors call them different things. We use the terms multinational, multi-domestic, global, and transnational. A multinational corporation, MNC, is any type of international company that maintains operations in multiple countries. One type of MNC is a multi-domestic corporation, which decentralizes management and other decisions to the local country. This type of globalization reflects the polycentric attitude. Examples of multinational corporations include Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, McDonald's, and Volkswagen. These companies are headquartered in one nation but operate divisions in many other countries in order to expand their business and reach more customers. A multi-domestic corporation doesn't attempt to replicate its domestic successes by managing foreign operations from its home country. Instead, local employees typically are hired to manage the business, and marketing strategies are tailored to that country's unique characteristics. For example, Switzerland-based Nestlé is a multi-domestic corporation. With operations in almost every country on the globe, its managers match the company's products to its consumers. In parts of Europe, Nestlé sells products that are not available in the United States or Latin America. Another example is Frito-Lay, a division of PepsiCo, which markets a Dorito chip in the British market that differs in both taste and texture from the US and Canadian version. Even the king of retailing, Walmart stores, has learned that it must think locally to act globally as it tailors its inventories and store formats to local tastes. Many consumer product companies organize their global businesses using this approach because they must adapt their products to meet the needs of local markets. Another type of MNC is a global company, which centralizes its management and other decisions in the home country. This approach to globalization reflects the ethnocentric attitude. Global companies treat the world market as an integrated whole and focus on the need for global efficiency and cost savings. Although these companies may have considerable global holdings, management decisions with company-wide implications are made from headquarters in the home country. Some examples of global companies include Sony, Deutsche Bank AG, Starwood Hotels, and Merrill Lynch. Other companies use an arrangement that eliminates artificial geographical barriers. This type of MNC is often called a transnational or borderless organization and reflects a geocentric attitude. For example, IBM dropped its organizational structure based on country and reorganized into industry groups. Ford Motor Company is pursuing what it calls the One Ford concept as it integrates its operations around the world. Another company, Thomson SA, which is legally based in France, has 8 major locations around the globe. The CEO said, "We don't want people to think we're based any place." Managers choose this approach to increase efficiency and effectiveness in a competitive global marketplace. This is all about today's lecture. Hope you find this video useful. If you find any query, you can ask by commenting below. Please share this video with your friends and fellows. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.